The concept of the inner eye or third eye is often referred to as spiritual insight or intuition. When your inner eye begins to awaken, it usually isn't dramatic like a movie. It happens through subtle shifts in your perception. Here are the signs that you're spiritual. Insight is awakening without you realizing it. 1. Heightened intuition, the knowing. You start to have strong gut feelings that turn out to be correct. You can sense someone's true intentions or character immediately, even if they are acting kind. You know things before they happen. 2. Vivid or prophetic dreams. Your dreams become clear, structured, and easy to remember. They feel less like random stories and more like messages. Often, these dreams manifest in reality shortly after, a phenomenon known as precognition. 3. Increased sensitivity to energy. You become highly aware of the vibe of a room or a person. You might feel drained in crowded places or around negative people, and feel energized in nature or spiritual environments. You start to feel the unspoken emotions of others. 4. Meaningful coincidences, synchronicity. You start noticing meaningful coincidences. For example, you think of a specific topic, and suddenly you see a book about it or hear someone talking about it. These are signs that your inner self is becoming aligned with the universe or divine flow. 5. Pressure or tingling between the eyebrows. Physically, you might feel a slight pressure, warmth, or a pulsating sensation in the center of your forehead. This is often associated with the activation of the pineal gland or the ajna, center in spiritual traditions. 6. A shift in priorities. Things that used to interest you, like gossip, material status, or shallow entertainment, suddenly feel empty or boring. You find yourself seeking deeper meaning, silence, and spiritual truth.